Hey, it's another lackluster day in terms of news. Pretty cool. Last Friday, I actually passed most of my evals. So mostly I have PA accounts left. I have 11 $250,000 PA accounts and 3 evals left that are almost passed. Building that internal confidence in seeing my model and not trying to see things that are not there because I just want to trade. We just had a no good 8:30 news wick like I like for the Judas swing. We did take out the Asia London highs, so we will be looking for bearish entry opportunities. So bearish fair value gaps on the 5-minute. We are going right up into a bearish 15-minute fair value gap right here to could serve as some resistance. Yeah, and on daily, we've been trending down. So I guess I could say daily bias is bearish, but I don't really know. I think Casper or Dodgy have a really good video on that. I'll try to find it and link it in the description, but I'm going to go to a 15-minute chart instead of 5-minute because we're not looking for fair value gaps on the 5-minute until it is the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. session. We're on 15-minute chart. We're going to look for it to take out this high or this low, I guess. And then we're hoping to see it reject off of that on the 1-minute with, some bearish fair value gaps down or an inverted fair value gap. So let's see if it inverts this strongly. I mean, it kind of did, but not really strongly. I honestly don't trust this. I don't think it's going to be a good Judas swing. If I was going to take the trade, this was the swing up. And then, if we had a strong enough move down, I would think, okay, we're going to sell now. And our, maybe first take profit be around here, second around these fair value gaps here. But instead, we had a pretty weak selling here and then went up. So that's a no trade for the Judas swing. Let's see what happens in the AM. Obviously, this is all AM time, but what I mean by the AM is 10 to 11, okay, Eastern time. So we're at 9:59. Let's see what happens at 10. Let's go back to the 5-minute because I'm looking for so far bullish on the day. So I guess daily bias is bullish, but silver bullet rules for this session say we took out the highs, so we need to be looking for bearish opportunities for it to retrace and form some of the wick for today. Oof. Nope, we didn't get that one. I don't know. It's honestly very bearish. Sorry, very bullish. I could have gotten in here. I think I'm going to just go ahead and try one. Before I really fully commit to that, since I have the luxury of thinking about it for a second and pausing on FXReplay, let me just double check, what I'm up against here. Highs here that we just touched. We got highs here. And so we might be rejecting off of that right now, actually. And we might go down from here. What was this level? This was 1316, around the 20. And this is a 70 level. I'm going to go ahead and take it, but I'm going to be aggressive about moving my stop to break even, okay? This one, where is that? I guess it's like right there. So we got a 2.5 if we are trying to go above those highs, but I'm not for our final take profit. That would put us at a 1.7 R. It's not really great. I'm going to move these charts out of the way and we're going to focus on the 5-minute again. Let's see what happens. Got to click this and then I can click place order. 1%, market. Keep in mind, like I said a minute ago, we're hanging around this previous high right here. So it's a little bit dangerous. We already took it out. We didn't exactly blow past it though. At this point, I'm going to move to break even plus a little bit, and I'm going to take 25% off. We are now out of the AM session and it gets sketchy around this time. I'm willing to hold this trade until 11:30, but I think I might take another 25% off here and move my stop up. Yeah, okay. So a lot of times after the move in the AM, after the 10 a.m. session ends and we're at 11:30, it might, kind of just have some chop, or it might fly the wrong way, only to fly your direction starting at 11:40 or something. So yeah, look at that. So glad that we got out. What did we get out with? We ended with 1297. Not bad for something that wasn't really a good trade. And I will see you in the PM session.